Hello class, I'm Captain Tom Sinovac, and today I'll be talking to you about the structural morning topics on the Civil PE exam. As kind of an introduction, I'll be talking to you a little bit about the format of the morning exam, then talk to you a little bit about the 5 different subtopics of the structural portion of it, then give you some takeaways and some helpful hints that I have for you as you're studying and taking the exam. And then for those of you taking the structural afternoon section of the exam, I'll give you some helpful hints based on my experience from taking the exam 2 years ago. And this experience kind of includes helpful hints to study for or recommended books to bring with you. So as an introduction, as each of the 5 sections of the civil exam, structural accounts for 20% of the morning exam. So that breaks out to about 8 questions of the 40. And so of the structural portion, there's 5 subtopics. There's loading, analysis, mechanics of materials, structural materials, and member design. So each one of these subtopics includes about 3 to 8 subtopics. And so what we'll be doing today is we'll kind of go through the fundamentals of each one of these subtopics and subtopics throughout the lecture here. And the way this is kind of set up is I'll explain the fundamentals, concept behind each one of the topics, and then kind of give you a brief example of how to actually calculate it, or basically kind of how it's actually formatted. So just like the morning exam, this lecture is very fundamentals driven. And so when you take the morning exam and the PE, you're going to find out that a lot of it's just testing your fundamentals. And so that's what we want you to get to understand. Do you understand what you're doing, what you're calculating, and what it means? Enough to be able to just look at something and know whether it's right or wrong.